Good morning, student. Welcome to your online science class. Student, as you know, I am going to explain the previous classes. I have already discussed about the energy and force. Okay, the form of energy and the effect of force, and types of force, types of energy, and also explain about the concept check. Now, student, open your book. Open your book, chapter number 9, the force, energy, and simple machine. Okay, so all of you get ready. Okay, I think I have chapter number 9. Your chapter number 9 is animals growth and multiplication. Sorry, because the name of chapter is animal growth and multiplication. And today I will discuss about the question answer of section 4th. Identify the following animals on the basis of given clues. So there are some clues are given. So you will identify animals. Which animals show these types of behavior. So all of you only fill this in your book. Don't write anywhere. Write down direct in your book. So ready with pencil, eraser and sharpener also. Okay, student? And open the page number 98. Date. Class 4th Science. Topic. Exercise of chapter 9. I am not going again and again the name of chapter. Write down only chapter. The animals growth and multiplication. Is it on May eggs in May nest to provide them what and help them hatch? I sit on my egg. Okay, in my nest to provide them warmth and help them hatch. You know which animals sit on their egg? In their nest. So you can identify this. Open the page number 92. Bird produce lays egg. Most of the birds builds nests to their legs. So write down the mammal's name, that is birds. 4th. Identify the following. Identify the following. Write down answer number 1. Birds. B-I-R, birds. Answer 2. I lay hundreds of eggs at a time in water, but most of them do not develop to become adult. You know, so many eggs are laid by the frog and fish, but all the eggs not develop into their adults. They are destroyed by the various human activities and natural activities. So the suitable answer of this that is fish. Fish. Answer number third. I am different from other mammals. I lays eggs. You know, mammals generally giving the birth to their babies, but there are few animals that lays eggs. You will name anyone, the mammals. You know, student, the mammals name: anteater, duck-billed platypus, spiny anteater, duck-billed platypus. Write down anyone. Platy, platypus. You can write down more name. Platypus. Write down spiny anteater, and EATER, and duckbill, DUCKBILLED, DUCKBILLED, duckbill. You can write down in this frog. Okay, write down frog. You can write down crow, DILE. Crocodile also. Do you know? Page number 94. Among reptiles, only crocodiles and their relatives look after their eggs and babies. Crocodiles makes nest in the ground and lays egg there. Okay, CROCODILES. Okay. Fourth, I have scales on my body. I lay soft-shelled egg on the ground. Soft-shelled egg. I have scale on the body. So, student, reptiles. Reptiles, so many. Reptiles are crawling animals like lizard, turtles, and snakes. They lay soft-shelled eggs on the ground. So, write down name. LIZARD, lizard. Turtles, TURTLES. Snake, SNAKE. Snakes. Okay. Fifth, I undergo 4 stages in my life cycle from egg of larva to pupa to an adult. Housefly and butterfly are the 2 animals that have the 4 stages, but the 3 stages life cycle is found in the insects like the grasshopper and cockroach only. So write down the butterfly and housefly. BUTTER, butterfly, housefly. Okay, write down. Don't give any underline below the words. HOUSE, house, fly, and BUTTER, butterfly. So do complete in your book directly. Now student, ready to write down the next exercise in your home classwork copy as well as homework, same copy. After that you will write down in the fair copy in the free time. Okay. Match the column. Do in book the history. Do in the book. Nymph, duck-billed platypus, incubation, maggot, yolk. In the book, write down in this way. Write down in this way. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So they are fifth. Nymph. You know, this is called the wingless young of insect. Wings, nymph. Nymph is called the wingless insect. So first E. Second, duck-billed and platypus. Provide warmth by sitting on the eggs. Egg-laying mammals. Generally, egg-laying mammals. Incubation. Provide warmth by sitting on the eggs. Incubation, D. Fourth, maggot. This is called the larva of house fly. B. And yolk, yellow part of the egg. A. Okay. All of you ready? Write down this in your book direct, the just side, front of the question. second, third, fourth, fifth. E, C, D, B, A. In your book, the section is fourth, but this will be fifth. And now I am going to explain the sixth. Define the following term. Following term. Now I am going to read the fourth section, question answer. Molting. Shedding of old skin. So key points open. Make the mark in the book. I am not going to write down. Define the term. Answer first. MOULTING, molting. This is the heading. The process of shedding off of the old skin is called molting. A baby insect grows into adult after shedding off its skin several times. Okay. Also there the process during their growth, the young ones keep shedding off outer covering of skin of their body and generally adult insect is called molting. So student, write down the key points, page number 97. Page number 97. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth point. Write down fifth point. So mark on the fifth point. Okay, I hope you are all mark on the fifth point. And second is incubation. Second, incubation. This is the heading, incubation. Sitting on the egg by the birds on in order to cook them warm. Page number 96. Key points. This is key point. And this is the key terms. Key terms. Incubation. Key terms. Given in the page number 96. Key terms. Sitting on the eggs by the birth in order to keep. So, student, I I am already asked to you, write down the keywords before the starting of the exercise in your fair copy. So I will give these types of question which are not given in your exercise. I will also given the key terms in the offline examination. So learn this, write this properly. And third is metamorphosis. So, filling the blanks, fifth, 98. Page number 98. Fifth point. Fifth point of fill in the blank. Okay, fill in the blank. Fifth point, the transformation from a young frog to an adult frog, adult through various stages is called metamorphosis. All of you write down this in your fair copy. So starting from this question in your fair copy. Okay student, I hope you are all learn today's exercise. So write down homework. All of you mention in your diary. And now my time is over to complete. So I am going to leave your class. Thank you. Have a nice day, student. Thank you, student. One second.